net factor income from abroad. Now in this estimation of national income, what we calculated first? GDP at market price. So expenditure method is different from income method and output method. All the steps you see. Lastly, we calculated NTP factor cost, then added net factor income from abroad. So when you are giving estimate national income by income method and expenditure method. So don't add net export here in income method. Net export component you have to add to find out GDP at market price. So these are the three methods of measuring national income, and lastly we will discuss the various precautions while estimating national income. The first thing is, see, I am just giving you combined, you can actually these add as per your requirement. We should not add value of intermediate goods. Second thing, sale of second-hand goods. Suppose you have purchased one car, you want to buy a new car and you want to sell this car. This sale of second-hand car will not be included in current year production. The value of this car was included when it was produced. But the broker or the agent who is helping you to sell your car, he gets some commission or he is getting some brokerage. That will be part of current year services. This is very important. So value of second-hand goods is not included when we estimate national income. As I told you, value of intermediate goods will not be included. Then some goods are produced for self-consumption. They are not sold in the market. Like farmers, they keep major part of their crop for family consumption. Will you include this value? We have to include, otherwise there will be underestimation of national income. Then another thing, the people who are residing in their own house, they are not paying any rent to themselves. That imputed rent is to be included. What is imputed rent? Imputed rent means it is the estimated rent which he would have paid if he would have hired that house in that particular locality. So we have to include the value of imputed rent. Production for own account is to be included. Now we should not include the domestic services provided by housewife. Why? Because that has no monetary value. We are not paying anything to her. But same services when they are provided by maid servant, it is included in national income accounting. And if this maid gets married with the person where she is working and she becomes wife, then that will not be included. Then any financial transaction like selling of shares, bond, debenture is not included. Why? Because it is just transfer. Suppose you are buying shares from your savings, you have purchased, and the producer, he is using your money to produce, then he is paying you what you get when you are buying shares. You are getting dividend. When you are buying debentures, debentures means these are for fixed period. You are getting interest. So all financial transactions are not included. Then lottery, if you are winning, all windfall gains are excluded. Why? Lottery means collection from all the people, money comes and you are giving. It is not generating any income in the economy. So lotteries are also not included in national income accounting. बंद करो. Payments are excluding, they are not included in the estimation of national income. All taxes, because taxes are also what? Kind of transfer payment. They are also not included. So in this way we have to take few precautions when we are using all these three methods. Thank you very much.